Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome everyone to Carbon Capture Utilization and Storage Workshop. This meeting is hosted by the University of Texas at Austin and Semtech. Before we start the meeting, I would like to go over a couple of items. Basically, all the attendees are automatically muted. And please use the chat area on either Zoom or Team, whatever you're joining, if you have any questions, and the questions will be answered during question and answer. And you may raise your hand. This is another option. And last but not least, if in case you get kicked out, please come back to the meeting, rejoin us, because this sometimes happens. Next. First of all, I would like to thank our speakers, Mr. Sorensen, Dr. Mojdeh Delshad, Dr. Taron Chen. They are speakers that they're going to be discussing various topics with us. My name is Kamy Sepehrnoori. I'm from the University of Texas at Austin, Department of Petroleum and Geosystem Engineering, Hildebrand Department of Petroleum and Geosystem Engineering. My co-host is Dr. Jijun Miao, president of Semtech, and also Mr. Joseph Linus, who is a regional manager in South America, is going to be helping to moderate the meeting this morning. The talks are generally, each are 30 minutes or 40 minutes. They will be presented. And then we start with Dr. Mojdeh Delshad, then Dr. Chen, and last but not least is Mr. Sorensen. And then we hope to finish the meeting right on time by noon. Next. Dr. Miao, would you like to take over?
Yes, before we start, I'd like to introduce a little bit about UTRSGIP and Semtech joined research body. And this research body was started in 2017, and we just through Semtech and together with the UT Austin, we can streamline the connection with the industry, and we are dedicated to collaborate with the UT before, but of course we have a lot of extension to the industry. And very quickly brief about our track record in the past 2 or 3 years. Like we co-host with several CCUS workshop because a lot of people we know they are really interested about the UT Austin's council experience, and they want to learn more about the CCUS and the history of United States. And we co-hosted with like CMDC and with some entities in China, and also we have a big impact in Middle East with ANOC, led by Dr. Darsha. We have a kind of carbon reduction roadmap and like CO2 emission calculation, all these activities, and also we have several workshop with ADNOC. And especially this spring, we are very honored to join PCOR, hosted by ERC. And there we have the biggest CCS practice program in northwest United States. And of course, now we collaborate together, and we use our software to support their program. And also we have several projects with companies in China. And also this year we collaborated with Sensor Error. And today we are honored to invite Dr. Chen to talk about our collaboration and their cutting edge technologies for CCUS. And also we have partners in Middle East like Future Energy. They are helping us, and together we are reaching out to all kinds of clients, possible clients.